I know poverty is a big stress. When I used to struggle, I just had about not more than 15 rupees in my pocket.
और जैसे कि आप लोग नॉइज से मेकआउट कर सकते हैं, दिस वन इज अ वेरी स्पेशल शूट बिकॉज ऐसा बहुत कम होता है दैट इंडिया के यंगस्टर्स के साथ इंडिया के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार्स बैठे होते हैं. सो वंस ही इज हियर वी हैव टू एंड शी इज हियर वी हैव टू डू दिस. दैट वन इन अ क्रोर, ये है निमृत कौर. यारों का है यार, ये है स्टार दिलदार. मुंबई से बिहार सब करते हैं इनसे प्यार. रेज अप योर हैंड्स फॉर अक्षय कुमार.
Thank you very much.
ऑलराइट, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो तो प्रीटी लेडीज है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम. एयरलिफ्ट जो है फिल्म बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है और इसके बारे में हमने बहुत सारी स्टोरीज ऑलरेडी सुन चुकी है. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन सर आपसे है कि ये मूवी करने का डिसीजन आपने क्यों लिया? बिकॉज वर यू अवेयर ऑफ द एक्चुअल इंसिडेंट दैट हैड हैपेंड?
वैसे आप लोग में से कोई बता सकता है कि एयरलिफ्ट की कहानी के बारे में आप में से कौन जानता है? कोई जानता है एयरलिफ्ट की कहानी क्या है एग्जैक्टली?
एनीबॉडी? सर तो आप हमें बता दीजिए.
या गो अहेड, टेल मी.
I think the movie is about the evacuation of Indians from Turkey, which was led by a soldier with Kuwait. Sorry, facts are wrong.
See, no. I'll tell you something. I feel like I'm in a classroom today. Okay. But मैं कोई हैरान नहीं हूँ कि आप लोगों में को मतलब ये कहूँगा कि आप लोगों को नहीं पता, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में इवन मीडिया को इसके बारे में नहीं पता था. इवन 1990 में कहा ये जब किस्सा हुआ था तब भी लोगों को नहीं पता था, क्योंकि ये बात को छुपाया गया था. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं अभी यमन में हमारे हिंदुस्तान कितने लोग थे हिंदुस्तानी. कभी कोई कंट्री पे अटैक होता है तो कभी आप लोगों ने सोचा है कि जितने भी हिंदुस्तानी हैं वो कहाँ भागेंगे, क्या करेंगे? जितना पैसा कमाया है सब जीरो हो जाता है, उस करेंसी का कोई भाव नहीं रहता है. ये एक कहानी है 1990 में जब सद्दाम हुसैन ने कुवैत पे हमला किया था. उस वक्त करीबन 1,70,000 हिंदुस्तानी कुवैत में थे और उनको ये नहीं पता था कि अब करना क्या है, जाना कहाँ है. इराकी जितने भी सोल्जर्स थे कुवैत में आके सब कुवैतियों को मार रहे थे. और वैसे भी आप जानते हैं कि कुवैती जो है मतलब उनके रंग का कलर और हमारे रंग का कलर कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. तो कभी काफ़ी जन मिस्टेकन होके उनको भी मार देते थे. एंड दे वर किलिंग देम लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. एंड दिस इज़ अ रियल स्टोरी अबाउट अ मैन जिसने बीड़ा उठाया, who took a decision that let us escape from here. Now the escape cannot be कि 1,70,000 को हम बिना किसी के आंखों के सामने we escape. It is not possible because that will be a very false story. But how this man, किस हिसाब से इसने सब लोगों को यहाँ से उठा के लेके गए and he took them to Jordan. And from Jordan, you won't believe it, हमारे एयर इंडिया यानी कि जो हमारी प्लेन्स हैं, जो कमर्शियल प्लेन हैं, वो their pilot agreed to come in a war zone and pick all those 1,70,000 people and brought them back to India, which if you Google today, which is the biggest air evacuation ever any country has done, and you'll be surprised to know that it is India. In World Guinness Record, we have our name, and we Indians don't know about it. And that is why when I came to know about it, कि ये film इसके बारे में है, so I decided कि I want to do this film and bring it in front of you. And I even told people that Amish, this kind of a story should come in textbooks, in students' textbook, because ठीक है, हमने पढ़ा अकबर ने जो किया ठीक है यार, अब कितने साल हो गए, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में क्या? We should know about that too, and that is the most important thing. ठीक है, ब्रिटिश ने 200 साल हमारे रूल किया, ठीक है, कर लिया अब, लेकिन अब हमारा क्या? हमारे जो है we Indians, what do we do? And like this kind of thing, it is unbelievable how actually Indians, जैसे कि अभी सुनामी आई थी, घुस गए थे सबके सब. यमन again 52,000 people they removed from the war zone. But unfortunately we always talk about अरे हमारे लिए देश कर क्या रहा है, हमारे देश कर क्या रहा है. But there is so much they're doing. But unfortunately, we lot of people see only कर क्या रहा है, but they don't see कर क्या रहे, क्या कर चुके हैं. And that is the most important thing. And that is why I decided कि let me work on this project and let me bring it in front of you guys. So अब, now you know about it. And if I say may I ask you that do you know what Airlift is about? Yes. Perfect. So chalo.
Well, first of all, a big congratulations. Yeah, because you know, as Indians, I think it's a very, very good thing that ऐसा subject जो हम लोगों को पता भी नहीं था अभी screen पर आने वाला है. So thank you for doing that for us. अच्छा Nimrit, what was your reaction when you first came to know that you're going to do a big budget Akshay Kumar film? What was your reaction?
It was a silence. I was just stunned and I was quite silent. So I was absolutely over the moon. I'm still over the moon. I don't think I've still gotten over the fact that, you know, we've actually worked in a film together, in such an important film. And yeah, I mean, every day has been an amazing day. You know, working with Akshay is just the most fun time.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, I've heard that you know he is one of the most punctual people on the set. ये मैंने इनसे एक पहले इंटरव्यू में भी पूछा
He's
था.
disturbingly punctual.
है, मैंने भी ये सुना था कि सब लोगों की नींद उड़ जाती है कि सर एकदम पहुंच जाते हैं और
ये
बाकी
सब
लोग.
बिल्कुल सही है.
That's true.
And I actually pride myself in being punctual because I come from an army background and you know I thought that he's punctual, so am I. But what I didn't realize was that he's punctual 10 minutes before the so-called punctuality that we all go by. So yeah, so my call time may be 7 a.m. but I'm ready by 6:45. Or most days
Oh,
I try
wow.
to be at least.
तो भैया यहाँ
But
पे
it's very fun.
I don't know how many of you are punctual. Do you have any questions? Otherwise I can keep going. Anybody wants to ask any question?
So most of the movies, be it like Holiday, Baby, are based on Indian army and military services. So is there a reason behind this or any motivation or any message you want to give through?
But then you are forgetting Hera Fairy. Then you are forgetting
Singh is playing.
There's no more. Yes, you're right. I may be doing a lot of kind of films lately, which is mostly the country kind thing where you show how proud you are. But to be honest, I enjoy doing films which is based on real characters, which actually makes a lot of sense. But at the same time, I balance myself by doing different kind of films also. But at the same time, I do these kind of films also, which is very essential. And to bring a subject, I know, मैं ये जानता हूँ कि Airlift की जो कमाई है, it is not going to be as a commercial cinema, what a Rowdy Rathore or what a Bajrangi Bhaijaan they are going to be. Because this is a real subject. I don't know how many people are going to be interested in it. Would they like to know about it? What happened? So I'll be glad if people go and watch it. But I'm doing it for the sake of to show to people that we also can do so many good things. That's it, man.
ये बात सही है क्या सर? मैंने सुना है कि इस फिल्म के दौरान शूटिंग के दौरान आप एक्चुअली रो दिए थे. Were you like that emotional about the subject?
No. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. At the end of the day, it's just a film. And yes, एक बार मतलब ऐसा हुआ था because when especially the last scene when I saw the Air India flight coming and they picturized the whole thing that flights are coming and we both are sitting and watching the flight at the airport. So that was the time where you felt a little emotional, but रो दिया था ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, वो clarify हो गया. Anybody else has any questions? Yes.
I love you, sir.
Well, that's not the question, I hope.
I still can't believe I am standing so much near to you.
Well, thank you.
I don't have any questions for you, sir. Ma'am,
Yeah, ask ma'am.
ma'am, how
You don't
was-
love me, is it? Love is here. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hi.
ma'am, how was your experience working with sir?
With sir?
Yeah, the whole experience.
I love him as well. he's absolutely fabulous and he's just someone so easy and so distractingly handsome that it was a challenge every day to be on set, to remember my lines and to not.
He's
Yeah.
serious all the time, like work, or he's like.
Yeah, he's a method actor actually. He's very serious.
Oh, that's
No.
news.
Oh no. Okay, that's a joke. He's very easy. He's very cool. He makes sure that you know, every single person on a set is absolutely comfortable. And from the first time that you know you meet him, you know that you know you're in for a fun ride. And you're asking because you want to work with him, is it? You're trying to assess the water. Okay.
You just wanted to stand up and say I love you, right? All right, so whoever loves Akshay Kumar can say it right away. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank
All
you
right.
very much.
अच्छा सर,
But I just want to tell you कि कुछ भी काम करो जिंदगी में सीरियस होके मत करना. I'll tell you that's actually what I feel. आदमी को हंसी मजाक, because it's only work. It actually makes you dull. You should have fun. We have done this film. I have done this. It's a very serious film. But shortcut, uske baad, I have to have fun. I have to play a prank. I have to enjoy. I have to crack a joke. I will tell her a joke. She will tell me a joke. And matlab, she comes from that, you know, lunch box and very serious actor, you know. But I have destroyed her. I have destroyed her. I made her. So,
that's just amazing.
Yeah.
अच्छा तो ये बात बताइए कि क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है ना दैट व्हेनेवर यू सी एन अक्षय कुमार फिल्म दैट सॉन्ग्स होंगे आइटम्स होंगे इसमें आपको ऐसा कुछ मिला एंड सिंस ही जस्ट सेड दैट ही डिस्ट्रॉयड यू सो डिड ही डिस्ट्रॉय यू फॉर एवर या अभी कुछ रिडीमिंग बचा है
Well, oh God, what a soul-searching question. Have I destroyed? No, I mean, I think Akshay Kumar is the biggest item wherever, whichever film he's in.
Item?
Yeah. He is. Come on.
एक्सप्लेन
good. It's coming on the front page now.
No, I mean he's.
It's coming in the front page.
नहीं इट्स ओके
And you'll pay for it now.
Oops. But no.
It's going to come. Akshay destroys Nimrat, and Nimrat thinks Akshay is an item. The headline is over.
So yeah, I forgot what you asked.
You were telling us that how he has destroyed you and
Yeah,
how he's
well,
an item.
That's it. I'm destroyed and he's an item.
But how?
How?
Well, you know, I think the way what he said was that, you know, I actually don't have any much film experience. You know, I've just done the one film and I've done another series, which was again a very different kind of an experience. With him, it's a different kind of a discipline where, you know, I realized that we can all work, have a great time, you know, laugh, joke about, and then be there, right there, work with complete integrity, you know, towards a subject which is so serious, which is something that needs so much of your attention, and you know, it isn't fun, it isn't comedy, it isn't, you know, something that you can just zone in and out of. You need to be there, packed. So in that way, I think what he has done to me is he's kind of like deconstructed my you know, idea of how we can, you know, how people can, you know, work under different you know, conditions, and how you just manage to do it all. So yeah, in that sense it's been fabulous.
Actually, that's one thing I would like to say on camera also, because I've always said it whenever I was doing radio or this thing, that you know, here he is one actor जो जब भी कुछ करते हैं it is ऐसे connect कर लेते हैं आपको, you know. Don't you think so? When he comes on camera, we just feel that, you know, there's something. So can we have a huge round of applause for it?
Actually, it's a golden opportunity. For the first time,
Are you a student?
No, I'm working. Not a student.
I thought you failed many
I'm
times.
a
Still.
I'm a faculty member. I'm working as assistant professor with School of Commerce.
Okay.
I've seen both of you several times on television, and I still remember I was in class 11 when your movie got released, Mohra. That was in the year 1994. My question is that across all these years, as you have got transformed as an actor, like I just want to know what were those change points like, and you know, in terms of your experience, and what are your future plans? What kind of assignments you would like to take in future? Like this one you took was a very unique
Well,
one.
I want to take my future plans. I always take something which is which makes a difference to people who watch. Like when I did Oh My God also, when I got the subject, I wanted to do something on religion. I wanted to tell people that going to temples and just putting milk on God is not going to make him happy. That putting oil भगवान के सर में खुशकी नहीं है that आप उनको ऑयल डाले जा रहे हो and he's not going to get happy. So he's going to get happy if you help other people. And the same thing is about Baby also. This is about a story of a raw guy who wants to, who has his own ways and own tariqa. Actually, the whole thing was very real. The stories were all real, what I did. So my future plans are to do films like this. I'm doing a film called Rustam, which is I'm going to start. It's about a Navy officer, and like that. Plus, at the same time, I want to balance myself and do a film like Namaste England. That also I'm going to do. No, ma'am, it is called Namaste England.
Okay.
अच्छा उन्हें पता नहीं है ना
I would
अभी
just like to add that just I'll take 2 minutes.
Please take 5 minutes.
Yeah. It's a great day for my son also. He's 9 years old and his
Okay.
name is Akshaj. And he's a
Akshaj.
great fan of yours.
Well, thank
So
you.
He wanted me to ask you a question.
No
Act
problem.
with
No
you. Thanks a
problem.
lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
ऑलराइट किसी और के पास कोई सवाल है अच्छा लेट्स टेक अ गर्ल नाउ
The movie Argo by Ben Affleck was about the evacuation of US people in Iran. So is Airlift going to be on the similar track?
Ma'am, that was about 6 people, and this is about 1,70,000. What would you like to see? So, nothing. It is. This is also a real story. That was also a real story, but that was, chup chupa ke they had come out. But this is on face and how it happened, and there was so much of trouble doing it. So both have a different areas and different ways. But I think you will, if you enjoyed Argo, you're going to enjoy this also, ma'am.
अच्छा सर एक बात पूछनी थी कि आपने इसको शूट किया है यूएई में
Yeah, we shot in a place called Russell Khema.
हाँ
रसल खेमा दुबई से करीबन 2-2.5 घंटे दूर है एंड वहाँ हमें पूरी परमिशन दी गई थी एंड यू विल सी द फिल्म व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म पूरे स्ट्रीट्स पे आग लगी हुई है ये लगा हुआ है देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वी वर अलाउड एंड वी थैंक पीपल फ्रॉम रसल खेमा एंड द रॉयल फैमिली देयर हु गेव अस द परमिशन टू शूट and they gave us helicopters, they gave us tanks and things like that, which you'll be watching in that film.
बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है रासल खेमा लेकिन क्या आपने वहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत अरबिक सीखी थी रहने
नहीं मैंने सिर्फ फिल्म के लिए सीखी थी and if you're thinking of asking me to say it, I won't be able to say
अच्छा हम चाहते तो वही थे अच्छा बट निमृत को जब आपने चूज किया इस फिल्म के लिए तो क्या रीजन था क्योंकि आप खुद ही कह रहे थे पहले लंच बॉक्स
Let me correct you, निमृत को हमने चूज नहीं किया, निमृत ने हमें चूज किया था.
ओहो.
Because निमृत
ओहो
so
This won't be a headline for sure. No one will believe this.
no, but because we actually requested her if she can do this film, and then she heard the subject and she said okay. It was very kind of her to do that.
सब्जेक्ट सच में आपने सुना था आपने बोला कि अक्षय कुमार फिल्म में मैं करने वाली हूँ
Actually, asleep. कुछ भी हो no. Well, yes. Firstly, the thing was that again, जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी तो the first reaction was what he said कि इस इंसिडेंट के बारे में मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
जी.
And it's so weird because I assume that I'm reasonably aware. I think that I know what has happened at least in the recent history of the country. But इतनी बड़ी चीज़ हो गई और हमें पता ही नहीं है. मैंने अपनी फैमिली को भी पूछा था, उनको भी नहीं कुछ आइडिया था. कुछ सुना है कि हाँ कुछ फैमिली थी, कोई कुवैत से आए थे लोग, so किसी ना किसी के बारे में पता था.
Any of you guys want to? Anybody from the audience? Can you Google fast and give me this thing report of the biggest evacuation airlifted any country has ever done?
Let's see, सबसे
Let's see what comes out.
Right.
बट एक्चुअली में जब ये मूवी के बारे में जब पता चलने लगा तो ऑल्सो वो एक सेंस ऑफ प्राइड बाद में फील होता है कि आपको पता ही नहीं था नहीं होला कि ये कैसे नहीं रिपोर्ट हुआ
Absolutely. And with Akshay helming the project, I couldn't think of 99.
1990 said loudly.
There you go.
And is it World Guinness record? So that, and can you believe it? We don't know about it.
एंड क्या आपको लगता है ये ताली वाला मोमेंट है
This all, and actually ये सब तालियां जो है, it is for those pilots who got ready. And कई लोगों को तो मैं जानता हूँ, मिल भी चुका हूँ. The pilots are still alive. They took the risk. They were commercial pilots, and they went for the Indians there, and they went into the war zone
Oh.
where the US had attacked Iraq, and there was fighting going on, everything was going on. They went into it and they quietly got everybody out. Not even one single person was left. Everybody, I'll tell you, 488 flights were taken, and it took 53 days to bring everybody back home.
दिस इज एपिक है। तो उन लोगों ने आपको जो सारे इंसिडेंट्स बताए होंगे, क्या वो भी हमको इस फिल्म में देखने को मिलेंगे या
कई इंसिडेंट्स हैं, मतलब कई तो चीज़ें, मतलब अभी फिल्म तो बनानी है, 2 घंटे 5 मिनट की फिल्म है ये
जी।
इट्स नॉट अ लॉन्ग फिल्म बिकॉज बट कई इंसिडेंट्स है। अभी हाल ही में मेरे को कोई मिले थे जिन्होंने बताया, पता आपको इराकी सोल्जर्स कैसे पकड़ के पूछते थे, कोयती कोयती नो इंडियन कोयती नो कोयती नो इंडियन okay sing Indian song. They used to actually make them sing a Raj Kapoor song. If you are a real Indian, sing it. Then if you don't, then they used to think that you are Koiti, they used to kill you.
ओहो।
So this is how the whole thing used to go on.
आप में से कितने लोग राज कपूर के गाने आते हैं? कभी
वो
फंस जाओ
जब गन लगेगी सारे याद आ
सारे याद आ जाएंगे। ऑलराइट, किसी और के पास कोई और सवाल है? हाँ जी, आप।
So I've seen like in movies like Baby and in Holiday you've taken the role of a officer, of a military officer, and also in the movie Rustam, which you mentioned, you are playing a army officer.
Navy.
Sorry sir, Navy officer. Then now why in the movie Airlift have you gone to the victim side? Like, you know, the person who is captured and not the pilots which you mentioned right now.
Well, that would have been just the story would have been मैंने फ्लाइट ली, लैंड हुआ, वहां से निकल आया, देन मैं उसको 15 मिनट में खत्म कर सकता था. बट द विक्टिम साइड इज अ much bigger side because they were facing the problems. You know, the problem was going on so much and they, मतलब कैसे वो लोग दिन गुजार रहे थे knowing कि you never know which bomb is going to come and explode. They were all staying in a school, by the way. All the refugees, they were all in a big school. All the 1,70,000, they were staying there, and it was a chaos. But imagine, मैं ऐसे ही सोचने वाली बात बोलता हूँ कि समझो आप कहीं हो, if you are in a place like Kuwait only, and if anything happens there, and you are stuck there forever, you will know what to do. There's no phones working, there's no electricity, there's no food, everything is gone. The money which you had earned has become zero. Banks are closed, embassies are closed, there's no passport, nothing left. It had happened in 1990, August 2. And till August 1, the Indians were having a great time. And the movie begins from there, where it begins from a song. And that was also happening. There was a big singer who had gone from here to sing there, and he also got stuck. Without naming the person, I must say, he also got stuck there. And we also have the same kind of thing. Baki, when you see it, you will, maybe some people will realize who that singer was. But things are there. So whatever you're going to watch is history. It is what has happened. It is nothing. किसी ने मनगढ़ंत कहानियाँ नहीं लिखी है बैठ के. Everything is like that only.
And if I may just add a little bit, what's extraordinary is that it's a story about ordinary people, becoming, and this man in particular, becoming a hero over a period of time, and just developing this strength and courage to helm such an operation. He's not a born soldier, or he's not someone who works as a professional like that. He's a billionaire. He's got a luxurious, flourishing life. He's far away from helming. Far away from being able to do something like that. So that for me is very, very extraordinary. Where a normal, ordinary civilian man, thinks of doing something like that.
एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी अक्षय कुमार उस अवतार में. बट एज अ फैन, क्या इसमें हम लोग को जो अक्षय कुमार स्टंट करते हुए दिखते हैं, जो हमको कॉमेडी करते हुए दिखते हैं, वो नहीं देखने को मिलेंगे?
Well, if I do that, they will throw me out. I mean, say, if I do it in this film, there is a little bit small action between an Iraqi soldier and me, which actually also happened, and so that there is a little bit of it.
ऑलराइट, कोई और?
Which is the best memory you have about this film?
The whole film is a great memory, especially मतलब जो हम लोगों ने रसल खेमा में शूट किया to create the whole of Kuwait. So that was a great memory. इधर तो देख, पूछने के बाद वहाँ देखता है. So that was the memory.
ये सवाल लड़कियों पे टशन मारने के लिए किया था.
हाँ, इसने कहा देख लिया, पूछ लिया.
हाँ, मैंने अक्षय कुमार से सवाल पूछ लिया. Alright. हाँ जी, yellow shirt. There.
How did you prepare yourself for this role, sir?
Okay, how did I prepare myself? Well, I spoke to few people who were stuck there, and I know them. And the character जिनका मैं खेल रहा हूँ, मतलब जो किरदार मैं रियल कैरेक्टर जो खेल रहा हूँ, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा उनका भी. मैं इतना बता दूँ कि he just expired 2 years back only, and it's a real character, and so I know their family. I have spoken to them, and that is how I learnt a lot. Otherwise मैं कभी कुवैत नहीं गया, वहाँ जाके कुछ सीखा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. So that's a small little preparation I did, was meeting people who were stuck there and what their mindset was. That's it. Thank you.
और कोई?
When did you start your career and how did you start it? Because I know that
Wikipedia.
I started in 1990 only. When that happened, the Kuwait had got attacked. That is the time I started also.
No, your original career.
Yeah, original. उसको बता यार, ओरिजिनली करियर.
इनका दूसरा करियर कौन सा, पहले आप हमें ये बताइए.
First movie you did
Was 1990.
first movie.
Yes. Yes, my darling. I'm 50 years old.
You were not even born at that time.
No, he was not even conceived.
Yeah. और कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे?
How was your experience?
About the
Original
experience
career.
of working. About my original career. Well, my original career, I was very happy. कई बार मुझे अभी भी याद है कि हाँ, मिठी भाई के यहाँ से I used to pass and trying to meet, because कई लोगों के producers के office होते थे आजू बाजू. I used to take my photographs and meet them, asking for work. And the experience was good, sir.
सर, बाहर का वड़ा पाव खाते थे कभी आप?
नहीं, वो सैंडविच खाता था.
सैंडविच खाते थे. अच्छा, अभी इन्होंने कहा 50 साल और सैंडविच, वड़ा पाव, इस सब के बावजूद ही लुक्स लाइक दिस. मतलब प्लीज, मतलब व्हाट इज योर, यू वांट टू नो द रेजिम, द डाइट? सर मतलब देखो, 22 कितने साल के हैं सब लोग यहाँ पे? 18. उसमें पेट निकल आए हैं. आप कैसे मैनेज करते हैं?
It's a very easy thing. Always remember that you have to not take stress in your life. Always you have to कुछ भी हो जाए. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं अभी नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ कि now you will be saying कि मेरे पास पैसा है, शोहरत है, सब कुछ है. So now obviously why would you take stress? I'm talking about even when I didn't have anything. It's a very important thing. I'm sure you guys must examination के वक्त आपको examination का आपको stress होगा, but don't take it. It's not worth it. There's always something or the other which will happen for you. If you're going towards a career where you want to do something, if that is not working, there's always a plan B. Don't take stress. There are a lot of people who are committing suicide for this. I have seen students doing that for no rhyme or reason. So stress is a very important thing. Don't ever take it, and learn that at night, 9:30, 9 o'clock, whatever it is, switch off your mobile, be with your family, go to sleep. Don't worry about what is happening. Just don't worry about it. Because of stress, lot of people get wrinkles. Lot of people, they take, मतलब जिंदगी मतलब खराब होना शुरू हो जाती है. Don't take it. I know poverty is a big stress, but a lot of people have it. I have also faced it. I don't come from a family जहाँ मैं when I used to struggle, I just had about not more than 15 rupees in my pocket, and I struggled, but कुछ ना कुछ होता रहेगा. And another thing is always do good. One good thing in 24 hours which you have to make sure, चाहे you can afford 2 rupees by giving 2 rupees to someone, वो औकात है, कोई बात नहीं, वो कर लो, but always help someone in 24 hours and your life will start changing, because that is what will make the change. This is the most important thing. Baki, obviously you guys must be exercising, some must be swimming, some must be playing badminton, बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी. So keep on playing. Stop playing with your mobile. Don't play the indoor games of just playing a video game. Not worth it. Not at all. Go outside. Take a ball. Throw it at your friend. Play with it. Play with it. Trust me, play with the ball. Take the sunlight on your face, because the sunlight is going to make a lot of difference to you. We are Indians. We have the best skin. We should be proud of it.
और फिर आप लोग भी दिख सकते हैं बिल्कुल अक्षय कुमार की तरह. बट निमित, टेल मी, इनके साथ रह रहे कि आप पे भी वो फिटनेस रिजीम रब ऑफ हुआ, आप भी जल्दी सोने लग गई, आप भी 9-9:30 बजे फोन बंद करने लग गई?
नहीं, मेरा इतना डिसिप्लिन नहीं है. मैं जरूर would like to be as disciplined as he is, and I have tried to take some of the tips that he has given me, but I'm not there yet, but I will be there. I'm determined.
He'll get you there. अच्छा चलो, अभी हम लोग लास्ट क्वेश्चंस लेने वाले हैं, तो द लेडी हियर. यस.
Hi, I have a question for ma'am. You were recently seen in a series called Homeland. So how is your experience being in the Bollywood industry now, and then you've also done a part in the Hollywood industry? So how different was it?
I really miss Chai on that set. But is that because my experience here is not that much. This is really my first time in a big, Hindi film. What I really liked there was that everybody was so punctual and disciplined, and everybody was just always on time. Everybody sat and ate together. Those kind of things were really very nice, and not always do you get to experience that here. And what I do think that we really have as Indians is that we are very emotional people, and I really missed that there, I have to say. The experience was fantastic, everything was great, it was fabulous to work with Claire and Mandy Patinkin and Rupert Friend, all those guys. It was fabulous, but there is that warmth you miss, that we have, that emotionality, that thing that, where you're, yeah. You miss that. I did miss that a lot. I was working in Cape Town for over 6 months. I was, we're just such warm and loving people intrinsically. I really miss that there.
आप संभल के बोलिए हग्स के बारे में, अदरवाइज ये लोग सारे तैयार बैठे हैं अभी जैसे इवेंट खत्म होगा.
I'm right here. We'll set up a desk.
बट डोंट यू वरी, अभी अगर आप कभी गई तो हम सर से बोलेंगे आपको एयरलिफ्ट करके यहाँ पे ले आए. बट आई हैव टू से दिस दैट बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलता हूँ, बट ही इज वन मैन जिनके लिए वो आता है ना रूटिंग वाली फीलिंग कि यार अपना बंदा है, इनकी फिल्म हिट होनी चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक आई एम सो प्राउड दैट इज पिक्ड अप अ सब्जेक्ट लाइक एयरलिफ्ट, जिसके बारे में हम लोगों को पता भी नहीं था. तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू सर, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. एंड आई यूज keep watching.